Diaper rash is a common problem with children. Most of these rashes can be easily treated at home, and coconut oil can be a handy natural remedy. As far as scientific research is concerned, there is hardly any to support or deny its use. But it is being used for centuries around the world, so you can try it. Before we discuss how to use it, let's first understand what kind of coconut oil is effective on diaper rash. Coconut oil comes in various formulations of refinements and fragrances. But look for unrefined virgin coconut oil without any added fragrance. Virgin coconut oil is generally in a semi-solid state in most of the shelves of air-conditioned shopping centers. You can check out the links in the description box for online availability and ready reference. Since virgin coconut oil comes in a semi-solid state, you have to warm it up before using it on babies' bottoms. You can either warm up the coconut oil bottle by dipping it in warm water for some time, or take a teaspoon of coconut oil on your palm and warm it up by rubbing both palms on each other. The best time to apply is when you begin to see rash developing on your baby's bottom. Earlier you begin the use, faster the rashes get cleared. Wait after rubbing on the baby's bottom until it dries out. Then put on a new diaper. You can apply multiple times during the day. The rash should disappear in a couple of days. If you maintain proper hygiene by changing diapers frequently as required and apply coconut oil, your child may not develop any more rashes. But if coconut oil doesn't clear your baby's diaper rashes, then try some other natural method. Most types of diaper rash do not require any medical treatment. But for some reason, if diaper rashes of your child do not disappear in a couple of days with home remedies, then consult a doctor. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.